copyright strike is gone.
Wait, is the videos back?
Yeah.
Play it. Yeah, play it.
What happened?
Sausage. We got copyright strike because I stole a video.
You just steal other people's videos?
I stole Fox News's or Fox Network's video. So I can add my own voice to this. He'd be like, "Yo soy Matismo." Wait, are you watching the video?
Yeah.
What was it? A video on?
It's funny. I'll show you. Ow. Oh God.
Oh, dude.
Why the hell would you take another bite? Oh
Dude,
God.
what a savage.
Dude,
His gums are just destroyed, but you know what?
Oh,
he's
his
doing.
tongue. Oh God.
Didn't you edit it to have the camera around it?
Yep. It makes it better with the camera.
Oh,
Dude, it was stuck. That's nasty.
dude, this guy, he like actually eats them all. He eats like the whole thing.
I've seen where he sticks his hand in dry ice.
Are you serious? Dude, what if he like smashed his hand on the table or something?
Dude, we stuck it in the toilet because he couldn't find anywhere else to put it.
The dry ice? Oh my
No, his
god.
hand. He put his hand in dry ice and he's like, ah! And then he put it in the toilet. And he suffered like 3rd-degree burns.
Jesus Christ.
Maceo, I'm recording a video right now.
What the heck is that?
Isn't that a good video?
That's great. I don't like it.
Sausage. Jill likes. He's a real character. Oh God.
Dude, this guy, he's trying to become the fastest dude to walk across America.
Really?
Yeah, dude, he walked like 40 miles a day.
Damn.
His like feet were destroyed. I was like, how do you keep
Oh, dude, that was a huge bite. Oh my God. I wonder how many times he's gone to the hospital.
I think there were quite a few.
Dude, look at his hand. It's like, holy crap.
I know, well think if you had freaking pine needles in your mouth, dude, or cactus.
Dude, that does
needles,
not
would
go down your
suck so
throat
bad.
easy. There's no way it goes down your throat.
Oh no, dude.
So I've seen someone jump into a cactus. And he was like the same guy who like grabbed the cactus like this, like
Oh
squeezing
my
it.
god, dude.
And like a month later he uploaded a video where he jumps into a cactus.
I don't see why people do that.
He's like standing on the bed of a truck and he's like, "Hello YouTube." Sin.
Have you seen the Dudesons?
What?
The Dudesons? Look up the Dudesons.
Okay.
After you're done recording this or whatever.
Right.
Are you just gonna post this on your YouTube channel now?
Yeah. I'm gonna put my own audio over it. Be like, "Oh, this hurts." Oh, this good. I can't even. I can't even figure out words to tell you how bad this feels. Oh man. Here we go. What if it like just yanked up and hit him right
Oh
in the
my
eye?
god, dude, that would hurt so bad.
This is better than getting your lip pierced. So then you get 20.
Jesus, dude. Dude, he even eats like the root and stuff too, I think.
Damn. Ow. Holy shit. Dude. You know that hurts so bad. It's got another one.
Dude, I want to try and eat a cactus. Like, take all the needles off.
Yeah, take off.
There was cactus. You know how we had the fiesta thing?
Yeah.
Those kids that I was sitting with had cactus.
Really?
Yeah, it's actually pretty good. Yeah, but it's like different, you know.
Scott, this video is gonna be awesome. The one I'm recording right now.
Eating a cactus. 2.
I'm gonna put my own audio over it of him talking.
Okay.
Or just making noise. It's like, ugh,
Oh shit, that's good.
oh,
God. Oh, okay, come on. You gotta do it. Just do this, man. I can't. It would have been easier to keister this thing.
Oh my god.
Do you know who Djibouti Dubs is?
No.
Oh my god, dude. Look him up. He's so funny.
I heard about that and I'm like, actually I can't.
Dude, he's taking pretty big chunks out of this.
I know. Dude, he's insane. The
Yeah.
stuff that he eats is freaking crazy.
For high jump, do you have to wear these shorts? Fucking retarded compression
yeah.
shorts.
Well, it's better too because if you have loose stuff, then it can get caught on the bar and stuff. But dude, he's freaking dying.
Gee, you know he's probably like in the hospital for like a week after this.
Dude, just think when it came out, like when he took a shit. Oh my god.
Oh.
So his anus just gets ripped open. So many pine.
Well, who the hell is?
So many cactus.